Hey, it's Mango, say hello mama, and I'm so excited to be bringing you an unboxing video today for 12Little. Ta-da! It's a big white box. This is the On-The-Go backpack from 12Little, like I said. The On-The-Go backpack is a brand new style from them, so I'm so excited to give you a first look in this unboxing video. And then in a packing video later on, I'll give you a look at how much it can hold and how it looks on the body. So let's get this box open so I can, well, see it for myself. I'm really excited to see it for myself, let alone show it to you guys. So let's do it. Alright, so here we go. Inside this big box is the backpack itself in a protective bag. I am so super excited about this stripe print. My dress I have on is stripes. I mean, I know a lot of you have a ton of stripes in your closet, and I think this is just gonna go with those items so well. I wanna see it out of its packaging, so let's get it out. I've scooted back a little bit so you can see as much of the bag as possible. This is really darling. It has silver hardware. It has vegan leather trim, which looks super realistic. Here, let me take that little plastic off. This fabric is a coated polyester, so it's gonna be water resistant, which is awesome when you're thinking about what bag to take to the beach or which bag is gonna be okay when it's a little bit rainy out, all that stuff. This bag's gonna be really good for. I can already tell this bag has so many pockets, and it has this darling animal lining. Can you see? I adore that lining. I love the little animals. It has all of the like 12 zodiac animals. So there's like a dragon and a pig and a cow. Oh, my kids are gonna think that's really fun. So this bag has a mesh pocket here across the back. It has a zipper pocket here at the back, which is great for hiding like fruit snacks and things you don't want your kids into. It also has 2 more pockets right here in the front, which are gonna be awesome for wipes and stuff. This pocket here on the front before you even get inside the bag is huge, and check that out, it has a key leash. That's really exciting to me because I'm like always struggling to find my keys, so that's gonna be really helpful. The bottle pockets on either side are insulated, which is huge for me in the summer. I love a backpack or a bag with bottle pockets, let alone insulated ones. That's a happy day. On the back here, you can see it has these great backpack straps. And in the back here, it has another zipper pocket, which is really similar in size to the front zipper pocket. And it has this separate compartment in the back. Oh my goodness. This is a padded laptop sleeve, but would be great for a ton of other stuff too. I'm really excited to see like what I can fit in here and what works for me. I know a lot of you like when your bags have the feet on them. I do as well. So this one has 4 metal silver feet on there, which is great for when you're putting your bag down. But I think this fabric is gonna be like so wipeable and easy to keep clean. I'm not really gonna be super worried about putting it on the ground. Oh snap, I just figured this out. Okay, check it out. So if you unzip both of those, like this top zipper here and this bottom one, this will fit on a rolling suitcase. That's totally what that's for. On-the-go backpack, I get it now. This will be like, you could slide this over the top, or you could zip the top and use this as the secret compartment, or leave the bottom zip and then just use this as a regular pocket. That is very genius and super convenient if you're gonna be on the go with little ones flying somewhere. Okay, I am really into this bag. I love stripes. I love that this is like neutral, but it has the great hardware and the little vegan leather trim on there. I think is really pretty. This bag automatically feels like a really good size for me. The insulated bottle pockets, gosh, all of that I'm gonna cover in more depth in my packing video for this bag, so check back for that. Hopefully have it up for you guys soon, but in the meantime, this is darling. You should go check it out. It's available at BuyBuyBaby and at Nordstrom. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this content, and I'll see you guys real soon.